Let's be real for a second. I know most of you are struggling to create attractive Pinterest pin that provide great value and attract more audience to click through these Pinterest pin to be taken to your blog post or your store and so on. And of course, if you use Canva to create your own templates, it's an awesome way, but also take a lot of time. So I just find an amazing alternative to create your attractive Pinterest pin that wow yourself and your audience alike. So now let's get started. First of all, just head over to Google and type something like Opal Google, and here you can go to the first result here, welcome Opal experiment. So click over that, then you'll be taken to this awesome website opal.google. Here you can create your own application with natural AI and just for your own purpose, or you can share for your audience as well. Here you can create your own application completely for free about anything you want to take a benefit as a real business owner or for your projects and so on. So here you can find some examples here like blog post writer, business profiler, city builder, fashion stylist, and so on and so forth. As you see here, if you use blog post writer for example, it enables you to generate an amazing SEO optimized article about any topic, about any niche Google loves so much. And for sure, this one, for example, learning with YouTube. Here you can turn your any YouTube video into quiz to help you learn for teachers, for kids, and so on. Here, it's an amazing and entertaining way to just digest the content of these videos if the topic is more complicated or sophisticated and so on. And here, for example, like this one, product research, if you just want to launch your product, digital product, affiliate product, and so on. Social media post, here create your social media post for your business. And past one, here you can find this video marked here. Here you can create AI videos ads with your product and target audience. An awesome application for sure you can try if you want to promote your amazing applications, digital products on social media as you want. Speaking on Pinterest, how you can create your own Pinterest pin that attracts more audience and scrolling eyes on Pinterest to get more traffic to your own website, your blog post, your store, to get more sales and make money and the like. Here you can use opal.google completely for free to build your own Pinterest bin generator. So how you can do that really simply and step by step. First, sure, here you can go to this application, so you can go to this option, create your new application. Then here insert your prompt to build what you want. Here, like you can create your generator. Here you can create anything you want rather than the Pinterest pin and so on. But type your detailed description of your application or your generator. So for example, here I can also go to ChatGPT for example, and just type here what you want that enables you to create your own Pinterest pin to attract many scrolling eyes. So for example, just type this message and this prompt like build a Pinterest pin generator to create an amazing Pinterest bin about any topic in any niche and make that generated image with the dimensions. For example, here you can set your own dimensions as you want, to be vertical, to be tall as you want. So here simply you can create the default dimensions aspect ratio like 1000 and 1500, and here you can just insert some specifications of your overlay text or and so on. So here and make the overlay more attractive structure. For example, here I just call this amazing structure as a golden formula to create your own Pinterest pin. Like for example, start with a big font with a big number or an impressive word like strong, stunning, amazing, and so on. Okay, then the objective or the main purpose of this amazing Pinterest pin or your destination link, it could be a blog post or something else. Then the benefit for your audience, click over this amazing Pinterest pin and read your article and so on. Like for example, if you just write an article about workouts to lose weight and so on, there's a benefit behind the visiting your blog post or using your digital product and so on. Then lastly, something like without a pinpoint, people are struggling in this amazing topic, like without hitting gym, without leaving your home and so on. Okay, and then add some rate also, and SEO optimized, then title and description. Okay, so now a good question comes up: why women just put and type this amazing prompt here on ChatGPT, not directly on Opal.Google? Because here on ChatGPT, I wanna actually enhance this prompt a little bit here to be more elegant for this AI language. So he just can now enhance this prompt. So just in a few seconds here, ChatGPT spits out an amazing prompt here to be used later on Opal.Google, as you see here. So well structured, enhanced Pinterest pin generator prompt here. Of course, I just make something like Pinterest pin generator here. Okay, so perfectly, and take this one, copy, and now go back to your Opal.Google and here answer to this prompt as a whole, and don't forget that to create a build here, build. Okay, converting a Pinterest pin generator. Okay, and then go. And just in few seconds here, Opal.Google just analyzes thought and this suggestion to create your own Pinterest pin generator. Just neglect of this one because all of your topics would be automatically generated here in this amazing application. So here, your application ready to be used. As you see, generate high converting Pinterest pins with optimized visuals and SEO tags. So here you can start, then you insert your topic of your Pinterest pin. So for example, if you are working on swimming or something, I just use the topic how you can swim faster, how to go, and target audience here. I just for swimmers, for beginners, and go. As you see here, you can find this amazing Pinterest pin and this amazing title and your description optimized and these relevant hashtags. So you find this amazing one. As you see, improve stroke efficiency, increase proportions and master breathing and so on. 3 techniques to swim faster, boost your speed. For sure, if you just add some additions here, some improvements here, you can insert here your edit additions as you want. And here you can find this amazing one here to be perfection. So as you see, 3 techniques to swim faster, achieve your personal best without stagnant times here as you observe. So if you just and here you can find this amazing SEO optimized title and descriptions and with relevant hashtags as you see, like freestyle swimming, swimming drills, and so on. And of course, you just need to download this amazing Pinterest pin. Here you can click for this one, save image as to your device, and it could be like this one as you observe here. 3 big number here, more attention grabbing techniques to swim faster, achieve your personal path. Here you can find the objective, the benefit for your audience, and here without any pinpoint like stagnant race times as you observe it. And of course, it's just if you want to actually edit anything you want in your generator or your applications. In other words, here you can go to this amazing text box and suggest an edit. So you can answer something like, okay, our structure of overlay text, for example. Here you can make your own overlay text to take the vertical space on your Pinterest pen. Here you can create your own image in specific dimensions or aspect ratio or so on and so forth as you want. Here you can play around to create your own Pinterest pen as you want here, simply to generate high quality Pinterest pen. And here simply, if you just stuck with these dimensions here, it's better for you to actually resize your own Pinterest pen in external website online for free. But just to keep this amazing attraction, key elements here like the objective, the big numbers, without any pinpoint or without struggling or something like that, and the title as well, and your description. So you can get amazing benefit here from Opal Google to create your own application for Pinterest pin generation. And of course, you can build your own applications as you want here on this amazing website completely for free. Another perfect thing here left in this amazing application. Here you can share your own application for your audience as you want to use it for free. So you can endeavor to this share application. Then you've got to make it public, okay? Then take the link of your own application of Pinterest generator. Copy this link and just to be browsing, just so you can open in a different website like this one, or anyone just to visit this amazing application. It could be like this one. Just to go to start, sign with Google, and insert your topic, your niche, your target audience as you want. Then generate high quality Pinterest pen. So here you can actually use this amazing Opal Google to create your own Pinterest pen images as you want. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.